me to unzip my jacket. For what? Did you see me put something in my jacket?
I'm not saying
Did you see me put something in my jacket?
Everyone, I hope you are all doing fine. Now this video will actually shock you because it didn't end well for these Asians who accused this Jamaican couple of being thieves and stealing from this store. Now they tried chasing them out, but who are Jamaicans? They come after them. So let's watch this video, then have a quick discussion about the same. Thank you so much.
For what? Did you see me put something in my jacket?
I'm not saying
Did you see me put something in my jacket? You see me put something in my jacket? You racist. What the put in my jacket? What the put in my jacket? Hey, give me a refund. That these people are racist. What the see me put anything in my jacket?
Your shoes.
I need a refund. Please. What the gonna walk me down to full jacket? What did I put in my jacket? Give me a refund. You racist, man.
Give me back my money.
You guys are racist, man.
We did not walk away. We don't need to steal.
Both of you walk us down. You telling me to pull my jacket? What I'm gonna pull my jacket for? Okay. Do you have a camera? Yeah. Do you have cameras? Go check your camera. Go check your camera. Give me a refund. So me can mash up in this. No, we don't want to know no situation. You guys insulted us. You guys insulted us. We just spent $300. $3 $100 we spent. Check what you're doing. Give us a refund. Give us a refund. No, we don't want no conversation. You guys insulted us. Why you walk us down so far? To open my jacket?
Now we all know that the motto of Jamaica is out of many we are one. Now there are a lot of people in Jamaica. There are so many groups in Jamaica, and all these groups are one people and under the name Jamaicans. And we have those Asians who have been in Jamaica for quite some time. We have those groups from Europe. We have the groups from Africa who have been to Jamaica, and they are all defined by the culture of Jamaica. They are all defined by their personality, which carries Jamaican culture and way of life around the globe. Now it is so bad to see such things happen, and this actually puts a divide, brings a division among this group of people who have been living so good, who have been living with harmony, enjoying the peace around the country. Now I came across this video and I was shocked because there are those people who have, the foreigners who have now been given that chance to work or have business in Jamaica as investors from other countries, have now gone around exploiting the individuals, the local Jamaicans who have been in this country for whole of their life. Now it has, however, not been ending well because they have always been on the receiving end from the Jamaicans, because when you mistreat Jamaicans, they will show you their bad side. We all know they are peaceful, but when triggered by these actions, they can get so bad. Now these couples were actually called thieves. They were accused of stealing, which is not good. I know many constitutions around the world do not actually permit anyone to call the other one a bad name, like maybe a name that paints you like a criminal while you are not. That's an offense, and you can press charges to someone of that sort. And we see these couples were actually trying to reclaim their good name back, because this is defying someone's name. It is actually painting a bad image of someone. Imagine if someone called you a thief because you belong to a different color, or because of those stereotypes that are built around a given group of people in the world. Now it's not the first time we are seeing this happen. It is not the second time. Apart from discrimination, we have those good Chinese people who have been in this country, and you cannot even separate them from the locals because they are one, they are bonded. But there are these other group who have come recently to Jamaica as investors, but things that they do, they're actually disgusting, and this makes people to have that general perspective of Jamaicans as brutal, they are bad, discriminative, they are racist, but in the real sense, some are not. It's just a few who have been in this country and they think they have the proximity to Jamaican government and they have that protection. So for these reasons, they go around harassing Jamaicans, from selling expired products, from discriminating black people or the Jamaicans from using their facilities, to these ones now calling names. It's not a good thing, because this actually brings division amongst a group of people who have been living in peace. It's not the first time we are seeing this happening in the Caribbean. It's not the first time we are seeing this on the internet. Now, I one day shared a video about the same group of people, the Chinese people in Africa, and how they've been harassing the locals. And it's not the first one, it's not the second one, because we still see the same things happen. It's not all. We have Chinese who have been in Africa for a long time. They have families, they bond well with the locals, they have businesses, and they respect the locals. And in this case, we've seen them living harmoniously with the people around. But then we have this other group who now think they can succeed, or they can harass people using the white supremacy. It's time they know they are not even white to do this. We should not spread racism. We should not spread division. It's actually good when you see a group of people in one country united and living in harmony and peacefully. It's not good to see a country divided on the basis of color, on the basis of ethnicity. It's so bad. This is why we've been seeing wars. Now in Africa, there is this specific country called Rwanda. Almost 1 million people died because of ethnicity and division according to a group of people. Now you think I'm better than the other because I belong to this group of people, or I can call them names because these black people are always associated with crime. So anything that gets lost in this store, they might be responsible for that, or they are the one responsible for this, and for this I must call them out. It never works that way. That's whatever brings division, that's whatever brings anger. And that's why we see the other day we saw the Chinese got angry with this hotel that was discriminating black people, and one of a black guy was really beaten, a local Jamaican, and we saw they came out in their numbers and they burnt this one down. We do not want to see the same scenes. It is good when these people live harmoniously with peace with the local Jamaicans. The Jamaicans are a very good group of people. They are welcoming, they are hospitable. The hospitality in Jamaica is on another level. We've been seeing people flocking to Jamaica. We've seen the US giving warning to their travel warning to their citizens not to go to Jamaica, but they still go. They shoot videos, they go live, they say how good Jamaica is, how hospitable, how good the people are. So it's not the problem is not with the Jamaicans. The problem is always with those who come and try to paint a bad picture of those good people of Jamaica. So it is high time I'm sending this message to the locals, to those foreigners who are coming to Jamaica. If you ever come across the video, respect Jamaicans. Anyone can steal. It does not mean it does not necessarily mean that it must be a black guy from Jamaica. No, anyone can steal. Before you accuse of someone, before you accuse something to someone, please make sure you have evidence. That's how the current or the modern world works. Evidence. So if you have evidence, it is acceptable, but if you do not have, you are welcoming more troubles, you are welcoming more anger, you are attracting Jamaicans to come and visit you, and you know the kind of visit they'll pay you, you won't like it. It's either you lose your life and your business, or you lose yourself, or you lose the business, and you know it. However, does not end well when you try doing these things. So let's uphold morality, let's have respect to certain groups of people, because we are one. Out of many, we are one. Thank you so much for having taken your time to watch this video. One love.